our previous class, okay, in our previous class we discussed, okay, in our previous class we discussed the introduction of the report, and the classical report we are doing practically. Classical report we are doing practically, right? Okay, so to see here, I didn't explain. See, 1 second. See, I didn't explain the two events. We are in classical reports. In the classical report, I explained, okay, a client selection, a start of selection, end of selection, top of page. Okay, all these things I explained. I didn't explain the initialization and end of page. Now let's we go with the two things. Okay, I'm going to open this server. In our previous class, we discussed classical report. This one. Okay, this one we discussed. Okay, see here, we discussed how, see here, we discussed a client selection event. Okay, top of page, and start of selection, end of selection. But we didn't discuss the two events. What are those two events? Here the two events are nothing but, see here, here the two events are end of page. End of page. See, what is the main purpose of the end of page? What is the main purpose of the end of page? Actually, end of page event is used to print the footer headings. That means if you want to print any footer headings at the end of the report, if you want to print any footer headings at the end of the report, then we need to go for the end of page. If you want to print any, okay, footers heading at the end of the report, we people, with the help of this end of page only, we people can print the footer headings. For example, I want to print here, see here, I want to print one under, at the end of the report, I see I need to print one underline. Then after, I need to print some data. Okay, here, I need to print some data. Then after, I need to print underline. I need to print this one as a footer heading of the report. I want to print this as a footer heading of the report. Okay, I want to print this as a footer heading of the report. How we people can print? See, what is the code for underline? What is the code for underline? U line is the code to print the underline. Then after, see here, if you see after some space, you need to specify the text. You need to print the text. So here, how we people can provide the text? By using the right statement, right? Okay. For example, some gap I need, some width of the gap. So, for example, 30th gap canvas. Okay. See, I mentioned here material general information, but our report is what it's a company code data. So what I'm doing means, see here I'm going to specify, okay, company code general information. I just provided. Then after again, I need the underline. Then after again, I need the underline. So you try to specify here U line. That's enough. You please try to write this code at the end of the, okay, you need to see with the help of this code, we people can print the footer headings. When it would be possible if you mention this coding inside of the end of page. Instead of the end of page event only, you can print this, okay, code as a footer heading of the report. Now let's see here. See, end of page. See, end of page means it's a last event. Okay, see here, come down. Yeah. I'm going to specify end of page. Okay. Now see here. Okay. Then try to specify. See here, what is the event? End of page, right? End of page. Okay. Then after you try to specify the code which I told. Okay, which I told. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. Then after see here, I'm going to specify comment. I mentioned this one. Okay. I mentioned this one. Okay. I mentioned this one. But the point to see now let's resave it, check it, activate it, click on enter and execute it. Execute it. When I execute, see here you can see all the records. Okay, you need to print the headings where you need to print the footer heading at the end of the report. So see here, come down, drag the scroll bar to down. I drag it, but here I'm not seeing the output of the, but I'm not seeing the end of page output. Here I'm not seeing, here I'm not seeing the end of page output. Here I'm not seeing the end of page output. Why? Why means yes, there is a one reason. There is a one reason. Even if you see here, even if you write the coding inside of the end of page event, you won't print this code. You won't. Okay, this code it won't be triggered. You won't see the footer heading. You won't see this one as a footer heading. If you write end of selection, end of page, when this event will trigger. See here, for example, here the point is what now? I'm going to execute it. Here we have maybe 2000 or 3000 entries like that we have.